Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to reset Windows Spotlight on Windows 11 when it shows a black screen or the Spotlight is not working at all. The first thing before you do anything, you need to do this. Right click on your Windows icon, go on Settings. After you go on Settings, go on Privacy and Security. Go where it says Recommendations and Offers. Here, make sure that this is all on. When you tick this on, then you can try the next step, okay? The next step is to check the Windows Spotlight itself. Just right click, go on Personalize. Then you go on Background. Here, make sure you can select Picture. Then reset your computer. Once you reset your computer, select again, then put it back on Windows Spotlight. See if it works. But if it doesn't work, then you can try this. You need to go to your app data. So make sure you go on your PC, like so. Go and see under Users, then under App Data. For you to see this hidden folder, just click on View and then say Show, and then you say Hidden Items. Make sure this is on so that you can see this folder. So you go under App Data, Local, then you go under Packages. After you need to look for Microsoft Content Delivery Manager right over here. Double click it. After you have to go to Local State, then Asset. Make sure you delete every file that is in here. And then after you delete it, the next thing you can do, just go back, go to Settings, then delete this settings file. Once you delete it, you restart your computer and try again to see if Spotlight is working. And you're done.